This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य शुक्रवासरः अथवा मृगवासरः अधिक अश्विन शुद्ध कृष्ण प्रतिपदा दिनांक 2 नहीं प्रतिपदा प्रतिपदा रागी दिनांक 2 अक्टोबर 2020 सहस्र योगम कंसहरितकी शंखं चक्रं जलपान् दशसमृतघटं चारुदौर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिरुद्यां शुकपरिविलसन् मौलिमं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोधोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगतवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीनं प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धा मात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तवान् द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रयच्छत् मुनिसत्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। Gulmar Droga Arshas Shwas and Kasa. So Kamsaharitik is available. So let us try to use it. That will be better. Dashamula Haritaki Lehya. No, that we covered actually. Dashamuladi Lehya. Shukra dosha. Just I was saying that it is useful in Shukra dosha. The Falashruti is quite wide. Shofa, Jvara, Gulma, Meha, Karshya. आमवाता अम्ल पित्त रक्त पित्त वैवर्ण्य मूत्र अनिल शुक्र दोष श्वास अरुचि प्लीहा गर विषय उदर. So Kamsaharitaki is a better choice to be used even in cancer patients. Shukra dosha hara and gara visha hara as well, and mutra anila dosha. So that will be better. दशमूलादि लेह्य एकैकशो दशफले दशमूल कुंभ पाठाद्वयार्क गुणवल्लभ कट्फलाना दग्धे श्रुतेम्बुकलशेन जले तु पक्वे पादस्थिते गुडतुलां बलपञ्चकञ्च दद्यात् प्रत्येकं व्यवशव्याभयानां बन्धैर्मुष्टिद्वौ व्यवक्षारतश्च दर्वीमालिं बन्धन्ति लीढो गुडोऽयं गुल्मप्लीहार्षकुष्ठमेहाग्निसादा. So Dashamula एकैकशः दशफल or something like that. पाठाद्वय अर्जुन अर्क गुणवल्लभ कटफल दग्धे श्रुतेम्बु कलशेन जलेतु वे. So this is to be burnt again to ash by burning. And then it is to be cooked in water. So this is a kshara kalpana. Padasthite gudatulam palapanchakancha. And when it remains 1/4, then gudatula and palapanchakancha dadyaptekam vyoshacha vyabhayana. व्योषक्षव्या and अभया. वह्नेर्मुष्टि द्वौ क्षारतश्च. So वह्नि मुष्टि and चित्रकमुष्टि and यवक्षार द्वौ मुष्टि दर्वीमालिम्पन् हन्ति. लीढो गुडोऽयं गुल्मप्लीहार्षपुष्टमेहाग्निसादान्. दशमूलकुम्भत्रिवृत्पाठाद्वय अर्क गुणवल्लभ अतिविश पिट्फल. And then take the above drugs in earthenware and make into ash by burning. So this might be Antardhumamashi, not really Kshara. Collect the ash and then add Jala. Prepare Chaturthavashishta Kashaya. Then add Guda. Prepare Leha Paka and then add Prakshepadravya. Vyosichavya, these are the Prakshepadravas. So this is something like Shar or Mashi and Guda Kalpana together. Vyosichavya Abhaya Vandi Chitraka Yavakshara Charpala. Gulma Pliha Arshaspushta Meha Agnimandya. This should be quite Ushna Tikshna. Chitraka Guda Toyadrone Chitra Mula Tulardham Sadhyam Yavat Pada Jalastam Athedam Ashtav Datta Jirana Gudasya Palani Vatyam Bhuyas Sandrataya Susametam Trikatuka Mishipatya Kushtam Muskushta Mustavaranga Krimiripu Dahanaila Churna Kirno Valeha Jayati Gudaja Kushta Pliha Gulmodarani Prabaleti Hutasham Shashwadabhyasya Manaha. So basically it's Chitraka Kvatha and then Jirana Guda to be given into that. And when it becomes Sandra, then Trikatuka, Mishi, Patya, Kushta, Musta, Varanga, Krimiripu, that is Vedanta, Dahana, Chitraka, Ela, Churna, Kirna, Avaleha. So these are to be Churna added. Jayati Kudaja, Kushta, Sarsha, Kushta, Pliha, Udara, and Prabalayati Hutasham strengthens Agni, Shashadabhyasya Manaha. So this is to be practiced. Chitrakamula Jala, Jirana Guda, prepare Leya, Prakshepadravya, Trikatu Mishi Shatapushpa Patya, Pushta Musta Varanga, Dalchini, Krimiripu Vidanga, Dahana Chitraka, Elavan Karsha each. Arshas Kushta Pliha Gulma Udara Agnimandya. I don't think this is available in the market. Chitraka Guda. नातिश्लेष्म करो धौत सृष्टमूत्र शकृत गुणः. Guda is सृष्टमूत्र शकृत all and नातिश्लेष्म करः. So for Anulomana this is a good thing. And Pak, that is the consistency of a Avaleha, and that is a better choice to do. Gudardraka Ardraka Sarase Tulyam Gulam Dattva Chiroshikam Vipachamane Sandre tu Trijat Vyoshavaridan Virakakshavaralancha Dipyakantanikaanapi Sambhuyashtavagena Churnayitpatra Yojet. अवतारे गुडार्थांशं बधुनापि च योजितम् एतत् गुडार्द्रकं नाम शोभनाशनम् औषधम् अग्निमान्द्या रुचिश्वास कास पीनस शूलिनां गुल्मपीहातिसारेषु संन्यासेषु प्रशस्यते. So Chiroshitam, how long it is to be kept? So Ardraka Rasa and Tulya Guda, it has to be kept for a prolonged period. And when it starts getting Pakwa and Sandra, then Trijata Vyosha Varila, Jiraka Varala, Dipyaka, Dhanika, Sambhuyashtama Bhagena, Churnaitvatra Yoje. So it's 1/8 of this Churna, Sambhaga Churna, is to be added. Avatarya Gudardhamsham, Vadana Pisha Yojitam. So this is to be Chiroshitam. What does it mean? That is again a question. They are not translated anything for Chiroshita. Vipachamani Sandre. And then it is to be cooked. That is fine. And when it becomes Sandra, then Trigat, etc. to be added. Avtarya Gudardhamsham Madhunati Chayurita. And then half quantity Guda and half quantity of Madhu to be used, to be added. Shofanashonam Aushadam. Agnimandya Rutishwasa Kasa Pinasa Shulina. Agnimandya Rutishwasa Kasa Pinasa Shula Gulma Pliha Atisareshu Sannyaseshu Prashasya. So this is even useful in sannyasa. And then Madhu 32 Tola. So Gudardhamsha is not to be added later. That is what that seems fine. Then it should be one word. Gudardhamsha Madhuna Picha Yojitam. So I thought Gudardhamsham Madhuna Picha. Okay, but let us understand it that half the quantity of Guda Madhu to be added. And then Shotha Agnimandya Ruchi Shwasa Kasa Pinasa Shuddha Gulma Pliha Atisara and Sannyasa. So is this available? Gudardraka, Gudardraka, Avleha. Does anybody know? This should also be fine, particularly for kidney failure. Mattala Rasayan, MATALA, what it is, can't say. Dadima. Dadimasya rasam stanyam आटरुषार्धकोद्भवम् प्रत्येकं फलषट्कं तु युञ्जात् साधुभिषग्वरः सीतागुणं खण्डसिता पृथक् द्वादशकलं द्वादशकं फलं देहीभूते क्षिपेत् चूर्णं रालादीनां च पाकवित्. So दाडिमरस स्तन्य आटरुषार्धकोद्भवम्. So Atarush is Vasa and Ardraka. Why Tanyam? So might be difficult. Let us see the translation. राधम शृंगी चतुर्जातं कतकं व्योष रेणुकं कुष्ठं यष्टि लवंगं च नाकुली कृष्णचीरकम् जातिकोशफले नागकणा गोपांगना वृषम् सैंधवं नागकुसुमग्राही च चन्दनम् कस्तूरिरोचना मुक्ता भस्मेन्दु मृगरेतसि प्रवालभस्म च एतेषां प्रत्येकं च सुवर्णकम् माक्षिकं प्रक्षिपेत् स्तन्यमानं शीतेव तारिते It's clumsy, not easy to make any sense from this meaning from it. कासं श्वासं क्षयं हिक्कां विदरधीम् अन्तराश्रिता अग्निमान्द्यं वमिं गुल्मं क्षतारोचकरुद्रजम् लीहरोगं यकृतरोगं रक्तपित्तं स्वरक्षयम् उपद्रवान् ज्वरादींश्च हन्यादेतद्रसायनम् So Dadimarasa 6 phala, Stanya 6 phala, Atrusha Rasa 6 phala, Ardhaka Rasa 6 phala, Sita and Buddha 12 phala each. Khanda Sita, that is also 12 phala. Then add Prakshepa Dravya, Rar Sarjarasa, Shrungi, Chaturjataka, Kataka, Renuka, Kushtha, Yashti, Lavanga, Nakuli, Krishna Jiraka, Jati, Jayapatri, Koshaphala, Jati Phala, Nagakara, Gashapit, Gopangana Sariva, Vrusha Vasa Saindhava, Nagakusuma, Agragrahi, Akarakarab, Chandana Kasturi Rochana, Mukta Indu Karpura, Mrugaretasi, Mruga Marjalavirya, Praval Bhasma Swarnamakshik Bhasma, one Karsha each. So part is quite big. Allowed to be cool. And then add Madhu 6 phala. Kasa, Shwasa, Kshaya, Hikka, Antara Vruddhi. So, Agnimandya, Vami, Gulma, Shata, Arochaka, Rudruja, Priha, Yakatroga, Raktapitta, Swarabhanga, complications of Jwara and other diseases. I don't think this is available in the market, so Atarushaka, Ardrakodbhavam, Stanyam, यांचा स्वरस. That also I thought, but Stanya is first, and then Atarushaka and Ardhaka. If it would have been in the end, then we might have taken like this. It seems that Stanya, Dadima Stanya, Atarushaka, and Ardhaka Swaras. It's a strange combination. Falashruti is quite wide, and Sita, Khanda Sita, and Buddha all are added. That is yet another important aspect. And there are so many Prakshepa Dravyas and such. It's very difficult to understand or explain. Anyway, this may not be available. गंडीर रसायन समूल पुष्प शाखस्य तुलां गंडीर शाखिनः तुलार्धं दशमूलस्य त्रिफलाया पृथक् पृथक् अर्धप्रस्थं तु गोस्तन्या तथा च कुटज त्वचः विळङ्गारुष्करा बोध कलिंगान कुडवांशकान् पाठादन्ति षठीरास्तान् मूर्वा वन्दिञ्च पालिकान् सलीले षोडश गुणे पक्वातं पादशेषितं सितोपलया द्वितुलया that should be fine प्रस्थेनायसमो आयसभस्मना कणार्धप्रस्थचूर्णेन ग्रन्थिकाम्रेण योजितं पिष्टैस्तीक्ष्णविडङ्गैला वालुकैस्तु पलार्धकैः प्रलिप्ते स्थापे स्निग्धभाजने मासमात्रकम् कामला पाण्डुरुद्रोग वातासृक् विषमज्वनान् मेहारुचिश्वासकासान् हन्ति गर्त्यर्बुदकृमी गण्डीर स्नुहि समूल पुष्पशाखस्य तुलां गण्डीरशाखिना तुलार्धं दशमूलस्य त्रिफलया पृथक्. So this might be Vireshaka. Gostani is Draksha, Pupetutvat, Vidanga Arushkara, Ambodha, Kalinga. And Ayasabhasma is Brastha, Kanardha Prastha, and Granthikambra. तीक्ष्ण विडंगैला वालुकैस्त पलार्धकैः प्रलिप्ते स्थापे स्निग्धभाजने मासमात्रकम्. So this is quite again Dashamula, this Gandhira etc. one Tula, Dashamula half Tula, Tripala half Kostana, Draksha Ardhaprastha, Putajatka Tvak Ardhaprastha, Vidanga Arushkara Ambodha Musta Kalinga Putaja one Pulava each. Patha Danti Shaki Rasna Murva Vanni Chitraka one Pala each. Sixteen times to the total. Prepare Chaturtha Vashishta Kashaya. Afterwards, Sitopala. Prepare Leha Paka and then add Ayas Loho Basma 1 plus the Kana Pipali. Churna Ardha Prastha Gandhika Pipali Mula. You write there Gandhikamra or something like that. So that might be Amra, might be for quantity. Tikshna Maricha Vidanga Elavaluka. Prepare drugs afterwards preserved in earthenware. But the lap of this maricha etc. to be given to the earthen pot, and then this is to be kept for 1 month. So basically, Avalaya Kalpana, but period is required for ripening. Kamala Pandu Rudroga Vatarakta Vishamajwara Meha Aruchi Shwasa Kasa Granthi Arbuda and Krimi. So since it is indicated for Arbuda as well, we may think of using this in cancer. Kukkuta Rasayana. Kodit Kulambu. No point in reading original part. Vruddhivalma Pliha Shula Udanamayas Mendiva. Tamil Nyonya Yojangala Chikitsa. So let us see. Kukkuta Mausa Dopala Lavana plus Jala. Boil and remove the bones and pound mutton. Coconut milk and sharkara. 8 fruits. Prepare Ihapaka and then add Pakshepa Dravya. Kayam Hingu Chavya Katutrayam Tippali Mula Modi. 2 of them Bala Mula लशुन जीरक घृत तैल बापरे so घृत and tail to be added later. Prepare layer by taking the above drugs in the specified quantity. It is allowed to cool well and then madhu 30 added. रसायन उदरशूल वृद्धि गुल्म प्लीहाशूल उदर रोग. So I don't know whether this Kukkuta Rasayana is available. Pushparagalayya. पुनर्नवा जल प्रिपेयर तथावशिष्ट कषाय नारंगी अंबु जंबीर स्वरस कुष्मांड स्वरस नालिकेर स्वरस नहीं नल्लिक्त स्वरस अमलकी पुल्यम तिंत्रिणी कर्पूर वल्ली स्वरस यव तक्र. So many amla dravyas. Boil and reduce to half, then filter, squeeze and dry. Afterwards dry. Sharkara solapala. Grutta taila. Prepare layer pak and then add. So this is also strange. He is asking to add Grutta and taila later after the pak. Jatika Jaifal Jaipatri 2 pala each. Sahasravedi Kasturi. So Sahasravedi Jatuka Hingu also Paryaya of Hingu. Lavanga. Prepare layer with the above drugs taken in this specified quantity. It is allowed to cool well and then add madhu. In a dose of Jambira Phala, Kamala and Pandu. Karpura Valli actually. This Karpura Valli. This Varasa. I don't understand. If somebody knows, may throw light on that. Trivrut Kulampu. Trivrut Jala Gruta Karkara. So just Trivrut, that's all. Virechaka Kamala Shofa. Anyway, what is available as Trivrut Leha in the market? If it is the same, then it is just Trivrut and Sharkara, that's all. And Gruta. So Trivrut Leha I am using Trivrut Sukha Virechana, that is the aggression. So for Virechana purpose, I do try to use Trivrut Leha, and it is Kamala Pandu also, Kamala and Shofa. So therein also this is good. Changeri Rasayana. Changeri Swarasa Mustakashaya. Jatikya. Shunthi. Thyfer Suntha Dipyam. That is Ova Kutaja Alpena. Chatushti. Chupasti. So Ambra Asti. Pulappa Sayum. Shalmali Niryas. Prepare layer with the above drugs taken in the specified quantity. Atisar Grahani. Bruhat Madhusnuhi Rasayana. We talked about Madhusnihi Rasayana that is not available, but does anybody know that this Madhusnihi Rasayana is available or Bruhat Madhusnihi? त्रिकट त्रिफला त्रिजात जाती फल पत्राग्नि धान्यकानि त्रियवनि विडंग चव्य पुष्ट त्रिवृतम ग्रथिक वाजिगंधकानि सभांगी देशोवति केशराणि निष्कद्वयोन्मान विचूर्णितानि संशुद्ध गंधो परमाहिषाक्ष मधुस्निहीनां च चतुष्फलानि विषट्फलोन्मानधृते विपक्वे सितात्फलद्वादशिकं क्षिपेच्च ततोन्मथित्वा तु खजेन तस्मिन् सुपाकमायाति ततोऽवतार्य पूर्वोक्त चूर्णानि विकीर्य शीते गन्धोपलस्यापि रजांसि दत्त्वा संयोज्य सम्यक् सुशीतलेऽस्मिन् प्रस्थं तदद्यान्वतुनः सुपात्रे विन्यस्तगुप्तं तु रसायनं तत्प्रातर्लिहेत्कर्षयुतं हिताशि. So Madhusnihi Rasayan is available by Vaitalit now. Okay. कुष्ठं किलासं प्रमेहान् पिटकान् प्रमेहान् भगवन्दरार्षोर्बुदः गण्डमालान् निहन्ति कण्वामयवातरक्त पित्तोद्भवान् गुह्यभवान् वर्णाश्च रसायनोऽयं मुनिना कृतश्च मधुस्निहीनाम एष मुख्यः. So Madhusnihi Rasayana is available, so that is fine. रुद्य विरेचन त्रिवृत मुख्य घटक वाग्भटोक्त पाठ SDM चा उपलब्ध आहे. नित्य अनुलोमनासाठी व विरेचन योग म्हणूनही वापरतात. ओके, ते मागवायचं लक्षात ठेवा. औषध गोष्टी भांग्या दिले आहे आणि आजचं हे पण मधुस्निही रसायन SDM पुण्यात आहे का अवेलेबल? So it is being used by Manoj. So part is quite big. त्रिकट त्रिफला त्रिजातक जाति फल पत्र अग्नि चित्रक वरल लवंग धान्यक त्रियवानी गोधूम त्रियवनी गोधूम बार्ली and यव त्रियव
SPM अहमदनगरला SPM
अहमदनगरला काल पिंपरी चिंचवडला पण काहीतरी असं चाललं. विडंग चव्य कुष्ठ त्रिवृत गंधिका पिप्पली मूल वाजिगंधा अश्वगंधा भारंगी तेजवती केशर सीतोफला महिषाक्षी गुग्गुळ गुग्गुळ पण याच्यामध्ये शुद्ध गंधोपलमाशिकाक्ष माक्षिका महिषाक्ष मधुस्निही चोपचिनी शुद्ध गंधक and घृत कुष्ठ किलास प्रमेह पिटका भगंदर अर्शस अर्बुद गंडमाला कंडू वातरक्त पित्तच गुह्य रोग गुह्य व्रण. इथे ह्याला वापरूया अनुज मध्यंतर. गंडमाला पण आहे आणि अर्बुद पण आहे. व्यालेश्वर औषधालय, सहकार नगर आणि श्री बालाजी डिस्ट्रीब्युटेड information they are represented at Ahmednagar. व्यालेश्वर औषधालय, सहकार नगर. So might be Manoj. Might be knowing. But we'll try to see. SDM distributors. We'll forward you forward contact number. That will be better. So, Arshas Arbuda Gandamala Kandu Vasarakta त्यांच्या गुह्यव्रण. Bharat Madhusnuni is available of ABS as Valiya Madhusnuni Rasayan. Okay. So Valiya Madhusnuni Rasayan is available of ABS as well. Then that might be easier to get. And Madhusnuni is Chokchini. So this is again something different. Yeah. I was thinking of Nivdunga, Snuhi, a variety of Snuhi, but it is Chokchini, so that is also strange. When any kalpa had such big range of vyadhis in Valashruti, it gets confusing when to use and how to decide Rogadikara of such kalpas, sir. How to decide Rogadikara of these kalpas. Anyway, I'm also trying to understand this, and that is why I said that we may start with Madhav Vedant Madhakoshika first chapter when we finish Sahasra Yoga, and thereafter we may begin Chakradatta or something, so that we try to understand the rationale between the Nidan and the Chikitsita. So it is very difficult over here to see the Rogadikara, because it is a bare text of various formulations as such. But when we try to get them from classical texts, Charak Sushruta, etc., then we know the Rogadikar very well. That is fine. Here it is quite difficult. Those pathas which may be found in Bhashratnavati or Bhatpata or something like that, therein we can decide something. But otherwise, this is a big question. And what is the purpose of addition of so many dravyas, which are might be Ushna, Shita, Guru, Laghu, or whatever it may be, or something like that. And there are various kalpanas associated with that. Vikati Kakshan, and then Kuchakara or Kuda, and then Nikaule, and then Atrakshipa. So this is quite common in all this. And what is the Karmakatva of Avalaya Kalpana as such? So, Vakshavajya Peya Lehya, these are four categories of the food material. So, Lehya is one category, and there should be something to be licked in our food material, that is ahara, which is not there or something like that. So this is the question, and actually understanding these is understanding the philosophy. So if we understand the philosophy well, why this particular combination is used in this particular way, then it would be easier for us to understand what exactly it does, and then that will be better. But anyway, to understand the Doshadhatu Mala and Rogadika as such,